love coconut. I mean, I love coconut so much, I named my dog. What happened? No, did you cut yourself?
AI!
Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my friend Johnny.
Hi everybody.
He's amazing. I'm gonna be putting all of his links down below. If you're a baker, you probably already know who this handsome man is.
Stop.
But you know, if you're new to this channel or you're new to the baking world or the foodie world, I'll put all of his links down below so you can go check him out. He's awesome. I got a lot of requests from you all to try an AI cake recipe. And my birthday's in a few days.
Happy birthday, by the
Thank
way.
you. I'm so excited. It's a few days early. We've got the balloons. Okay, so Johnny, I went on ChatGPT. I asked it to make us a recipe. I put in some parameters. I will put the video up now. But basically, you know, I have a lot of friends who have different food allergies. Right. So I wanted a pina colada cake. That's what I wanted. But I also asked the perimeters we put in that it was gluten-free and dairy-free. So like my sister could have it, my other friends and family could enjoy it as well. And this is the recipe. I printed it out.
They just made a recipe.
Like in 30 seconds. So this is for the recipe, and then I also went on Midjourney and I had it design the look of the cake. Johnny, are you ready to follow this AI recipe?
I've never been more ready.
Let's get started.
Okay, so it looks like we need gluten-free all-purpose flour.
Got that. My pantry has every type of flour.
May I just say, for the folks at home, you watch these videos, you see the house tour, you go, oh, she like cleaned up special for that day. Your house is always immaculate. It's crazy.
I gotta stay organized when you're this busy.
Coconut oil.
Yes, have it.
Okay, sweetened coconut, unsweetened coconut oil.
Yes. Okay, come with me to the pantry. We'll get all the ingredients. All right, we've got all the ingredients and we've preheated the oven to 350. Now, Johnny, what is the first step to making this AI cake?
Let's see, it looks like they want us to do dry ingredients first. Okay.
I think it's basically a dump and stir recipe, which is nice. You don't need any fancy equipment here.
So in a large mixing bowl,
okay.
Gluten-free flour. So
yeah,
we got that
so
here.
we got the flour. Pour in the gluten-free flour. Yeah.
Okay. We need coconut flour. This is gonna be weird.
Ooh, that's a lot of coconut flour.
Granulated sugar we got here.
Okay.
And then all the little things like baking powder, soda, and salt. I think that.
Yeah.
They're cute.
They're so cute.
They're like child size.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna do the salt. Salty, salty.
I love holding these and feeling like a giant.
Aren't they so fun?
Yeah. And then it wants you to, in a separate bowl, combine the melted coconut oil.
And guys, I will put all of the ingredients and their measurements in the description down below. I don't know if I can recommend this recipe yet. We'll see, but I'll put them down below. So if you ever want to try an AI recipe, you can. Milk.
Yum, yum, yum.
We'll do this in order. I don't want to mess with the AI. Pineapple juice, got it right here. All right, we've got vanilla, we've got coconut. I have every extract in my pantry.
Apparently.
Bubble gum, anything you could think of, we've got the extract. Okay. And the eggs. Yes. Okay, here we go. We've got 4 eggs.
Whisk until blended.
Okay, borrow your whisk. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Well, so far, we've got some pina colada elements. We've got the coconut. We've got a little pineapple.
Totally.
Okay, that's looking good. Now what do we do?
So now I think we're going to pour wet into dry and maybe full. I'm going to do what AI tells me.
Okay.
I'm going to take like my baker hat off.
Here we go.
Yes. Okay. Ooh.
How slow? Should I slow?
I think that's good.
Slower?
I think that's all right.
Do. This is very slow. I have already wanted to tweak this recipe since we started once, but I won't. I'm following AI. There's already a few things that are odd. One is the amount of coconut flour. I mean, we haven't even got this thing in the oven and I'm already a little concerned.
I will say I've never had a harder time folding in my wet and dry. Like it's feeling almost like cookie dough.
Oh my gosh, this is so heavy. I think the AI went crazy with this coconut flour. I don't think AI understands how much moisture coconut flour absorbs. Okay, now the recipe does call for 2 cake pans, but because I want it to look like what the AI design was, we're gonna be using 3 cake pans. That's the only difference here. Okay, so all of these pans I've got here, these are 6-inch round pans. I've greased and lined them with a little piece of parchment paper at the bottom.
Mama, we're just going with.
All right, so let's just eyeball it, divide it between the 3. What
and I'm
the
not.
heck?
Your cake should not sound like that.
Would you like some dry coconut Cookies? We got them.
We got them. We got some
We got
big
the
6-inch cookies.
recipe. Try to even these out as best we can. Yeah. Following the recipe, it says to do that, and I would advise to do that. If your dough is ever this thick, do it. Because if it's a more liquidy batter, they'll bake really even. Let's bake these bad boys. What's the instructions here?
Oh, right.
Where are we?
Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of the cake comes out clean. For the frosting, we need full fat coconut milk.
Okay, got it. And then
powdered sugar.
Oh, I'm on it. I'm on it.
Okay, we got all the ingredients. You got it. I was barking orders. I just mansplained to Ro how to bake a cake. Wow.
Okay, so that's what we scoop out. It kind of looks like ice cream.
Do you want to try
I'll scoop it.
Okay, and then leave the water at the bottom.
Water at the bottom.
Ooh, I like this. Like, it really is nice, isn't it?
I love tropical stuff and I love coconut. I mean, I love coconut so much. I named my dog. What happened? No, did you cut yourself?
AI! Yeah, I'm fine.
Did you?
I'm fine.
Oh no, you need a Band-Aid!
No.
Oh no, Johnny!
Oh no, AI! I'm blaming AI.
I'll do the scooping, Johnny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do the scooping.
This is like gonna be the butter, basically, for our vegan buttercream.
Oh, that's not a lot of powdered sugar. Usually when you're making buttercream, you know, I did a video on this, the 4 different types of popular buttercream. A lot more sugar goes into this.
Yeah, but maybe the coconut is already sweetened.
Okay, so we mix these two, or do we do everything?
We add everything.
All right, let's see what happens here. For someone who loves coconut, it does taste like coconut, but it's kind of watery and it's not very sweet.
It's not very sweet.
No.
It doesn't taste like frosting.
No.
It's giving like yogurt. Very thin.
We can't decorate a cake with this.
Definitely not. I mean, this would just slide right off the sides of the cake.
So we could use it to fill in between the layers. We'll do that, but then to do the design, you can't ice a cake in this because it's just gonna be mush. Yeah. AI, this is way too watery. Now, the birthday cakes have baked and we've given them plenty of time to cool.
These look like hockey pucks.
They feel like them too. Also, the baking directions were spot on. We took them out at 30 minutes exactly.
They're also relatively level, which is nice. It means they got an even bake.
The AI recipe does not say level and then stack them. They just say stack them basically, but we're gonna level them because we know better. So Johnny, while you're doing this, why don't you tell everyone, you know, a little bit about what you do. What are you about? What do you like to do?
So I specialize in hyper-realistic cakes. So I make cakes that look like other things.
Like the, is it cake?
Very that, yeah. I literally competed on that show. Now I do it for a job, which is crazy because this is like, this was not the goal. I came out to LA to be an actor, didn't work very well, and I had a lot of time to watch your YouTube and other shows like Nailed It and stuff, and that's how I started baking. I mean, this is wild. I want to know what it tastes like.
Okay, let's take a little bite now, and then at the end we'll take a bite of when the cake's all together, because maybe with the icing it could even be better. Here we go. I mean, it's a cooked cake, it's just really...
Oh, grainy. You know what it is?
Just like the batter.
You know what it is? Flavors are nice. The texture is whack.
Okay, well, let's finish this thing. Let's give it a shot. Maybe with some more icing and stuff, it's gonna help. We're gonna put the cake together now with a few adjustments. Okay. So they said put the garnishes on top, which are the toasted coconut and the cherries, but we're gonna put them in between the layers because we let AI pick the design of the cake as well. And when we're icing this, because this is so liquidy, this is not gonna stay in between. We're gonna be using our traditional buttercream. Yeah, Johnny, so do you wanna start with a layer and show everybody how to make like a little outline, like a little fent? Push it down.
So we're creating a dam, and I think we need a pretty like significant dam.
Let's do this. So do a little scoop-de scoop.
Nice. Okay, so that's one. What do we think? Is that
maybe
enough?
1.5?
Okay. And then
I don't want to overdo it, but I think that that's looking good. How much should I put here? I don't even know.
I think that's good. A healthy amount is...
Here, you want to do the cherries?
Sure. What's interesting though about this is that the coconut is really strong. It's that pineapple that I'm missing.
I'm missing the pineapple and I'm missing sweetness.
Yeah.
All right, we got our first layer. Now it says keep doing it, basically.
Right. So we put the second layer right on top.
Yeah, it says place second layer of cake on top of the entire cake, covering the sides.
Do you want to do this one?
Yeah, I'll do it. Okay, ready? The double dam?
Double dam, I can spin. Oh, no. Wow.
Oh, I went a little crooked there.
No, you're amazing.
Don't hire me to build a fence. You don't know what you'll get. This is great. Oh yeah. Oops, sorry.
Room for everything.
Lots of fun. Okay, cherries. We need flavor. Just everywhere.
Pack
We
it
need
in.
lots of flavor in here because we're not getting any. Yeah. All right. There we go.
All right, I put the final layer upside down.
Perfect. What? Is this a pro baker? This is pro tip, you guys. The top of your cake, flip it upside down so it's nice and flat. And ta-da, this is the end of the recipe. If we were to stop right here and cover this cake with this icing, that's it. And then they say refrigerate it for 1 hour, and then your gluten-free, dairy-free pina colada birthday cake is now ready to be enjoyed. Now that we've made the AI birthday cake, we are gonna let AI decorate this birthday cake. I went on Midjourney and we typed in some parameters, and this is what they've given us, Johnny. I typed in a tropical birthday cake for Rosanna Pansino with a happy birthday message, and this is what we got.
I love that we're gonna airbrush and give it different gradients.
Yeah. We asked for a happy birthday message, and this is not even English, and I Googled it. This is not another language.
It's just
It's just gibberish.
Aramli Hamanal. Am I saying that right?
Aramni Hymnal to you too.
So what do you say? Should we frost this?
Yeah, let's cover the whole thing with our icing, not this one, because this is not structurally sound. There's no way we can get that design with this. Just get her going, Johnny. However you like to do it, just cover this thing.
So I think this is kind of going to be our like crumb and final coat.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's load it up.
Yeah, get it really thick. This is looking really good. We're gonna keep icing it, and then we're gonna freeze it for over an hour. We want this thing to be nice and icy, and then we're gonna cover it in fondant.
All right, great. So we have this nice rolled out piece of blue fondant, and we're just gonna drape it over the entire cake.
Yep.
Smooth it out.
Yep.
Cut off the excess.
All right, I'm ready. Let me flip my hair back.
I never have an extra pair of hands to do this with, so hopefully
This is gonna be amazing. You pick up a side, I'll pick up a side.
Okay.
And we'll just go for it.
All right.
Okay.
One,
2,
two,
3.
three.
Up, over, and boom!
Pull the wrinkle apart.
Same.
I've seen you do this. I think I learned this from
Pro.
you. No, I think I learned that trick from watching your videos.
And very gently, you guys. You don't want to pull hard. It's a very slow pull so that you don't tear and rip your fondant. Oh yeah. Can I just say, baking with a friend is so much fun, because usually we're by ourselves. We don't have extra helping hands. It is so much harder.
And when I have helping hands, they're like my brother who doesn't know what he's doing. The cake is covered with our fondant. It's looking pretty good to me.
Yeah.
And we started piping these lines, which I'm not even sure what they are. They're an AI invention. It's giving like seaweed.
Yeah, so we're working on creating that kind of texture, and we just took some little buttercream, put it in a piping bag with a number 5 tip at the end for a little bit more control. We've covered the cake, and now it's time to airbrush, and this is our protection.
So we got to start at the base with purple, then fade up to pink, and then the blue is the blue.
Yeah, and remember, you want to use airbrush colors when you're using an airbrush machine. You don't want to use the regular gel colors or watercolors that you find at the store. Oh, Johnny, it's so cute. It looks just like the picture. This is looking good. Now we're just gonna clean this up and clean up the cake board and start making some flower decorations. I cannot wait to try this.
I know.
I'm really excited. Now it's time for some fun. We're gonna make all of these little decorations. We have a bunch of different fondant colors in front of us, and we're gonna do our best to recreate the AI's design.
I love that is you. Like, who found that photo?
I don't know.
Where did they get that from? I'll get started on your face.
Okie dokie. I'm gonna make some more flowers. I'm just using a bunch of different cookie cutters and these little metal designs here. And I've got templates, I've got everything for us. I think AI is gonna get smarter and it's gonna get better, but kind of where it's at right now is it needs a lot of supervision,
Yes.
a lot of guidance, a lot of tweaks.
I hope AI learns from this, their mistakes.
Yes,
I hope
please.
that they come up with a better cake recipe.
Yeah, and please, next time, come on AI, give me a better hairstyle.
Iranly, A-A-N-L-Y.
Iranly Hamanal. So Johnny and I are gonna keep making decorations because this cake has a lot of them, and then we're gonna assemble. I just finished this flower, and look how cute.
It's so pretty.
Look,
Can
you put it in your ear.
Do I look
Do you
like
feel
I'm ready to go to
tropical, like
Hawaii?
you're in Hawaii?
Oh my gosh, where am I? Am I in Hawaii?
Yeah. Now we've got all of our decorations. We're ready to assemble. We're gonna start with my face. So Johnny, can you grab that cute little face you made?
I will grab that cute
And then I'm gonna
little
put
face.
some little icing on the back. And I'm gonna use a little pin.
To support the weight of your face.
Yeah, get our gibber sign on here.
Looks like you're holding up your own birthday sign.
Okay, this is really cute.
It's coming together.
Okay, now let's make the little vines with your fondant over there.
Okay.
Okay, while you're doing that, I'm gonna be getting some pink little luster dust and painting some blush on these cheeks.
Go hard. Go crazy.
Okay, we need a lot. Okay,
AI
these,
thinks you've got it.
these cheeks are real pink. This is gonna be the weirdest birthday cake I think I've ever had. Oh, we're spicing it up, okay?
Spice.
I have not seen anyone else make an AI birthday cake.
Me either.
Have you seen anyone make an AI birthday cake before?
Never.
No, I feel like we're the first people to make an AI birthday cake.
And honestly, maybe the last.
All right, so Johnny's gonna keep working on this, and I have some more over here. And these are all the flowers that I made. And if I need to make more, I will. But we've got tons of bright colors. They're super tropical. They're beautiful.
Oh, it's like a full rainbow.
Yeah, I'm gonna start sticking these on. Johnny, when did you start baking?
So I started like a little over 4 years ago.
4 years?
Mhm.
You're so good.
I was late to the game. And then, I don't know if you heard of this little thing called COVID-19, but
Oh, I heard
we
of
were
her.
home. We were home.
I heard of her.
And you know what I did? I spent my hours, my long COVID hours,
Yeah.
trying to get good at hyper-realistic cakes.
And you did. This is looking really cute, and we're just gonna add some final little touches, and then we're done. And ta-da!
Ta-da!
Here is the AI birthday cake that we made today. The design of the cake that the AI made up was really cute.
Yeah.
I mean, there's some cute things here. All the flowers are cute, the ombre is cute. Okay, comparing it to the AI design, I think we recreated it really well. We got a bunch of the flowers, we've got the ombre, we've got the little, and we even have the birthday sign.
Aranli Haminal.
Haminal. Happy, wait, no. Aranli Haminal to you.
Aranli
Haminal to you.
Aranli Haminal to you. We gotta make up a
today.
weird robot name for you.
Anasaur, that's my name backwards.
Okay, Anasaur. Aranli Haminal to you.
Woo! And many more. Okay, great. What do you think of the AI's design?
I think AI is a kooky, crazy little girl who made a weird cake that is somewhat cute. Like, it's cute. You can't deny it. Is it gonna taste delicious?
Okay, Johnny, thanks for coming to my birthday party.
It's the best birthday party I've
And
been
making
to.
my birthday cake. This is the weirdest birthday cake I think I've ever had in my entire life, and I'm really happy you were here for it.
I was honored to be here and to create this very strange creation.
Yeah, I cut some slices out of the back of this cake, and we are about to try it all together.
Oh, that is hard as a rock.
Oh, wow.
Interesting.
Okay, I'm getting a lot of cherries. I need flavor. Here we go.
There we go.
Oh, wow. It absorbs so much moisture, and it is just gritty. It tastes like there's sand in the cake.
It looks like sand.
I love the flavor of coconut, and I am tasting coconut, so flavor-wise, I like the coconut,
Yeah.
but the cake is not sweet enough. We need some salt in there, more salt or something, and there's no pineapple. Because I put in pina colada cake. I wanted a pina colada, which is coconut and pineapple and rum, and I am missing pineapple.
Definitely.
I don't taste any pineapple.
I don't either.
I think what's also really difficult for the AI is to do all the requirements of being gluten-free and
Yes.
dairy-free and pina colada.
Yeah.
I think if I would have just picked one, like make a chocolate cake,
Right.
I bet the recipe would be able to generate something a lot more delicious. AI's like, what? Food substitutions?
Hold up.
Whoa.
Yeah.
It's like whoa, can't
Totally.
compute. All right, you guys, that does it for this episode. I hope you guys enjoyed it. A big thank you to Johnny for helping me bake today.
Thanks
It
for
really
having
meant a
me.
lot to me.
Of course, I was so happy to be here.
This is so fun. Again, I'll be putting all of his links down below, so go check him out, show him some love. And if you guys enjoyed this video, it's my birthday, so don't forget to like this video, click subscribe, it's free, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, because we're gonna be posting a bunch this year. We're gonna be trying a bunch of fun recipes. And if you'd like to watch any other videos, you can click up here.
Or over here.
Yeah, there or there.
Or both.
You can click both. If
One
you
on my
want it.
computer, one on my phone.
Click, 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 click.
Just watch all your videos at the same time.
The filling just tasted like cherries.
Yeah, it's wild.